guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? Make sure to subscribe down below, comment down any other videos or products that you'd like me to try out, as well as any, just anything in general that you'd like me to try out on my channel. Like this video and just make sure to subscribe, you guys. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the other Tarte foundation, and this is the hydrating one. This is how it looks right here, and I am in the shade medium sand. So it is literally 10 in the morning, 10:15, and the reason why I kind of wanted to do this foundation, try this foundation out so early, is because I actually just read that this is a 12-hour foundation. It's supposed to be good for at least 12 hours. So I don't think I'm gonna try it out for the whole 12 hours, just because it's Sunday and Monday I have to go back to work, and I don't like falling asleep late, just because it's hard for me to wake up. Okay, so I've already primed my eyelids as well as primed my face, and I added a tiny little bit of foundation on the top of my forehead because, like I've mentioned before in my previous videos, the way I clean up my top brows is with the foundation I will be using for the day. But for this review, we're also going to be using the Tarte brush, and this brush was I believe it was $26. But let me tell you guys a little bit about this foundation itself. So the foundation is $39. Like I said, I got it in the shade medium sand, and it says Tarte double duty beauty shade tape hydrating foundation provides buildable, long-wearing coverage in a skin smoothing weightless gel. The hallucinic acid pack formula continuously hydrates while keeping a plump skin and refines pores without creasing, cracking, or fading for 12 hours. And now, so I'm a little sick, you guys. I'm sorry about that. So I thought you were supposed to use this foundation with this brush, but I guess it was maybe the other way around. I was supposed to use the matte one with this brush. I don't know, I'm confused now, so now I'm just gonna use it with this foundation. Let's hope for the best. And that's just about it. But let me tell you guys how much was the sponge. I mean the brush. Okay, so this was $28, and let's see. Okay, so this one you were supposed to use with the matte one. Oh well, I mean, we gotta try out the brush, and I already did the matte one, I already did the matte review, so I mean I should have read it better. So I'm just gonna go in with the dopa applicator and just kind of apply some all over my face, and let me show you guys how it looks like. Let me dip it back in, just in case you guys haven't seen my other review. This is how it looks like. It's pretty huge, the sponge, the tip, it's pretty huge. And now again, I'm gonna have to say this just because maybe this is the first time watching my video, so this might be my shade, this might not be my shade, just because lightning at wherever place you buy it out is different than natural lighting. So the shade might actually look different than what it actually when you buy it in stores. It might actually look different than when you get it at home. So please don't judge the foundation isn't matching my skin correctly. And from the get-go, this is stinging my face. I don't know what it is with this foundation and the other one as well, the matte one, but I had this little burning, stinging sensation on my skin, and it just does not feel good. But it does go away. With the other one, it did go away after I had blended it in. It's just when I first put it in. and I feel like I am getting so much foundation. Like, I feel like this little sponge tip is soaking up so much of it that I have to keep looking in and out, in and out. And I'm probably gonna have to go in with some more just because I'm using this brush, and I feel like it might soak it in. Let's hope it doesn't, because that'll be sad. And this is like, it kind of reminds me of like the Artiste brush. It's really, really dense. Like it seems like it's fully packed with, you know, hairs, and the brush looks really cute. I mean the back looks really cute. And on the handle it just says Tarte Double Dewy Beauty. Okay, so I'm just gonna go on in and kind of, you know, just do what I normally would. Oh. So when you first, this is the first layer I put on my skin. When you first put it on, it has like a medium to full coverage actually, but I feel like I can definitely add some more just to like build up more coverage on the areas that I needed some more. Like for example, like right here I have like, you know, a lot of dark circles, not dark circles, like dark spots as well on this side, but this side actually I have like, you know, less, but it kind of covered it up more. So maybe, but on some other areas like on my face, like it looks pretty full coverage. So maybe it's medium to full coverage. So, you know, from the first swipe. So now I'm gonna add just some more onto the areas that, like I said, I need them, you know, some more coverage. Okay, so the stinging has went away after I blended it out, and kind of like the product has moved around, but as soon as I've added like some more foundation on it, it does sting. Like right here where I added it at, I feel some like stinging, and like, you know, it's very like not good feeling. But around like the rest of my face, it has went away, like the, you know, like I said, the stinging motion. So let's hope you know, it doesn't feel like that for the rest of the day. With the other one, with the matte foundation, as soon as I put it on, like I said, I did feel the stinging, but it did go away after I had blended it in. Of course, I'm going to finish my makeup off of camera, but of course I'm going to come back and let you guys know, like, I'm going to wear this throughout the day. That's why I didn't want to do both foundations, like, you know, in the same video. Like, I could have put both foundations in the same video, but the reason why I didn't want to is because I wanted to show you guys both foundations, like, you know, fully worn, fully for a whole day, and let you guys know what exactly do I think about it. Like, is this is the matte foundation, like, you know, like for a matte, like not a matte, but like for a dry skin, would it be like too dry? Would it be too uncomfortable? You guys should go check that video out just to know if you have, like, you know, a dry skin, would the matte foundation be like bad for you? Not bad for you, but like, you know, not right for you. Or this foundation, like I'm trying this foundation out, the hydration one. Like, you know, if you're oily skin, is this foundation gonna be like a total flop for you? You know, I'm trying it out just to let you guys know, because I have, you know, oily, I have combination skin, but most of the time I kind of have like oily. So, you know, I'll let you guys know, for my oily girls out there, like, I'll let you guys know if this foundation is a total flop for us oily, you know, skin type girls. So, like I said, I'm gonna finish the rest of my face off the camera, and I guess I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. This is for now, I guess, all the makeup that I'm gonna have on my face. If for any reason, like, I decide to change up, like, my lipstick, or I don't know, man, sometimes I'm weird and I decide to change, like, my eyeshadow in the middle of the day just because, like, you know, I'm probably gonna wear something else. Because, like I said, it is 10 in the morning. Well, now it's 11. Wow, I can't believe I almost took an hour just doing my makeup. But yeah, you guys, so right now this is the end of the video, but I will be coming back to check in, you know, at the end of the day, just to let you guys know my overall thoughts on this foundation. So I'll be right back. Hey guys, so it's been various hours. It has been definitely more than 8 hours. The foundation is still good. I haven't blotted at all throughout the day, nor like, you know, put powder on my face, you know, make it less shiny. So this is definitely a foundation that is not too oily. So it's like a perfect good combination for your skin. So you oil, like, you know, oily girls out there, or gals, you know, guys, my bad, purchase the foundation, you know, if you want to give it a try, if you're looking for a foundation that's other than the matte. Because personally, me, I have like literally 10 matte foundations, but it's rare the like radiant or hydrating foundation that I have. And this is a good, you know, foundation that doesn't make you look extra oily. So just my thought, you know, but you should give it a try. But overall, this is, you know, my opinion on this foundation. So see you guys in my next one. Bye.